In today's video, I'm going to show you how to assemble this Vevor snow pusher. If you've never used a snow pusher before, this is an excellent way to clear a couple inches of snow, maybe up to 3 inches of snow. Much better than a snow shovel, because you can just push things to the side like a snowplow does. It's really easy to assemble because most of the parts already come assembled. A lot of the models on the market, you do have to attach more pieces to it, but I really like this one because it comes in a box. Not all snow pushers or products do come in a box, which is nice. This one here, 24 inches wide, solid plastic, really strong. This snow pusher comes in 3 pieces. You have this snow pusher bottom, it's going to do all the work. Then you have the handle, this comes in 2 pieces. This is the middle piece, and then this is the top piece. It's got the orange handle on top, so this is going to be really nice to use and clear some snow with. First thing you do is take this piece here. Now, this is going to slot in here. You see there's an actual, it's going to slot in here. You see there's a slot at the bottom here. The piece on here is going to slot right in there, and it has to go with the screws facing up to line up with these holes here, because there's a little notch at the bottom, and that's going to line up with the notch at the bottom of here. So slide this in, and then easiest way, put this on the ground and then just push down until it clicks into place. I can't physically make this click any more down than it already is, so it's solid, it's secure as it is. So I'm going to use it like this. So we're going to bring in the orange handle, and we're going to put this so that the Vevor label is facing the same way as the snowplow. So that like this, slot that in. We're going to bring in this bolt here and use the Allen wrench that comes with it. So on the left hand side there is this square hole, and that's going to line up with the square top of the bolt. I'm going to slide that in. Have to maybe lift up the handle a little bit. And you can bring in this piece from the other side and thread it on. Because it has a square hole there, it's going to hold that bolt in place, so we can tighten this up with the Allen wrench. And that's how to assemble your new Vevor snow pusher.